Hi everybody, Lori from BrushFalls Studios. Today is our weekly tutorial day. This is Lori and Larry's School of Art.
Maybe.
Like I said in our last video, this is week 2 of tutorials. I didn't hear anything from your comments that you need help with, so I'm going to pick another out of my brain. So let me show you first of what on my last video was a short, and I want to show you the dried results. This is a 16 by 20. Very simple. It's a balloon smash. I just wanted some light, beautiful colors off of a white background. And this actually looks the way the balloon smash worked on this was basically butterflies over a flower, butterflies going toward the flower, going away from it. It's I think it's very, very pretty. Very pretty. The colors are beautiful. So also I wanted to say before I started showing you a tutorial, we are 6 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. We are so excited that you all stayed with us during Larry's accident, and we were gone for 4 months, but I'm so glad you're all here, and I love all of you, your support, and all your comments. And so today we're going to show you how to make homemade gesso. And you can tint it too. You don't have to buy it in the store and then tint it. You can do it yourself. It's so much cheaper. So much cheaper. I'm going to show you my ingredients. I'm going to actually prove it to you also that I have built a frame for a canvas by ourselves and stretched it ourselves. So I'm going to show you that real quick, and I'm going to show you how this is. Let me try breathing again. This has 2 coats of gesso on it already, and this is what size is this, Larry?
That is a 30 by 40.
This is a 30 by 40. And it costs hundreds of dollars sometimes to buy this size in the store. And I just wanted to show you how it can be easily done in your own house. See? Same thing. That'll be another video if you're interested in learning about how to make your own frame and stretching canvases. We can do that, but this is so easy and cheap. So there's that. Now for acrylics, you want to apply 2 coats of gesso at the minimum, and for oils you want 2 to 4. And then you want to take a light sand in between each drying. Once it dries, you just want to lightly sand it, okay? All right, so I have my gesso container. And this is just going to be a white gesso, not a tinted, black, any other color you want. So come on down to the canvas, Larry. Let me open my container. Tell me when.
You're good.
Okay, so there's 3 ingredients, 3 simple ingredients. First thing I'm going to show you, I already poured this out in spite of having dust all over our studio. It is baby powder, aka cornstarch. Either one, they're both the same. This has aloe vitamin E in it. It doesn't matter, but I got it at $1.25. This is irrelevant, this stuff here. All you need is baby powder. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to do it as we go. 1/4 cup of baby powder. Next thing, 1 tablespoon of plain white glue. So I'm going to put that in. This is our cooking channel, you know. No, just kidding.
We use all the same tools.
Pretty much. I got this from the kitchen. No, just kidding. And then 1 tablespoon of your favorite basic white paint, acrylic paint. That was a heaping tablespoon.
Doesn't have to be exact.
Yeah. Get it all out. Okay, then you just want to mix it up. And if you have an airtight container, that's even better. You're saving yourself a little bit. This is probably under $2, all of it. And your whole studio will smell like baby powder. It's going to start off very powdery and dry, but it will definitely work itself and incorporate properly. So I didn't add any water. This is fully incorporated. It's quite thick though. This is like marshmallow fluff. So what I do is just add water till I feel, I would say just put it a little at a time. Start off with a half a tablespoon. That's good enough. I want to show you something too. So after you finish your three ingredients, you can just add a tablespoon of water. And I'm going to show you, I have Artist Loft white gesso here that I've already used up a little bit. But I'm going to show you how similar they're so close in consistency. It's almost perfect. And you can vary the water. You don't need it real thin. This probably needs a little touch of water, but other than that, you got yourself some homemade gesso. And for cheap. Real cheap. So you can triple, double, quadruple, whatever you want on the measurements. Quarter cup, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, and a tablespoon of water. Okay. There, I made it twice. And a quarter cup of this. Oh, I'm all over. So there you go. I made a double batch. Did that real quick. It's super easy. You can fill this to the top and you always have it as long as it's covered. Guys, I'm telling you. So leave me a comment in the comment section. Leave me a comment.
Tell me what you think about what I'm doing here.
Yeah. Tell me what. All right, so here you have it. Homemade gesso, guys. Don't go out and get this expensive Artist Loft Golden. I mean, so many brands have white gesso. Thank you for stopping by. Next weekend, we're going to do another video. What do you want me to do next? Let me know. We're going to do another art tutorial next weekend. And I hope you liked what you see. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. If you have any comments, put them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate all of you. Much love. Bye.